We're ready to go?
Yeah.
So it's Alessandra's birthday, and we decided to drive up to the north of Catalonia to a volcanic region called La Garrotxa. This place is just 1 hour and 30 minutes away from Barcelona, and it has amazing walks through a cluster of volcanoes. It amazes me how many landmarks we have so close to us that we are only just beginning to discover. So I always bring my drone with me, so I can get a better perspective of where we are. And we really look like ants compared to the size of that mountain.